past tense common errors. Hi English learners, it's me Yamuna, your English trainer. Welcome to Smart Kids Learning English through Tamil. Today's video is on common errors in the simple past tense. Simple past tense la நாம பண்ணக்கூடிய errors பத்தி தான் இன்னைக்கு class. Hello everyone, welcome back to another useful English learning session. Today we are going to learn about one of the most important and commonly used tenses in English, that's on common errors in the simple past tense. Whether you are a beginner or someone who want to refresh the basics, this video is going to help you. Part 1. Quick recap of simple past. Simple past na enna or quick recap. Before we dive into the errors, let's quick revise the simple past tense. It is used to talk about actions that happened in the past. ஏற்கனவே நடந்த ஒரு action பத்தி பேசுறது தான் simple past tense. The structure is subject plus past form of verb plus object. Example பாருங்க. She visited her grandma yesterday. That means நடந்த முடிஞ்ச ஒரு action. We watched a movie last night. நேத்து மூவி பார்த்தோம். For regular verb, we usually add ed. For irregular verbs, the past form is different. For example, go, went, eat, ate. Go na went nu use பண்ணோம், eat na ate nu use பண்ணோம். Next, part 2. Common error. First, using present instead of past. First பண்ற தப்பு இதுதான். Incorrect. Yesterday I go to school. கரெக்டான சென்டென்ஸ் என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா yesterday I went to school. உங்களுக்காக ஒரு சின்ன explanation. Yesterday indicates a past action. Okay? So the verb must be in the past form. Go is present. Went is the past form. So we used went. Okay? Part 3. Common error using did with past verb. Incorrect. Did you went to the market? Correct. Did you go to the market? இப்போ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும் இல்லையா? Explanation for you. After did, always use the base form of the verb. Did already shows the past. Next, part 4. Common error 3. Forgetting ed in the ending. Incorrect. He walked to the station in the morning. ed நம்ம சேர்த்தணும். அப்ப correct sentence, he walked to the station in the morning. A quick explanation for you. For regular verbs in the past, we have to add ed to the base verb. That's the explanation. Next, common error 4. Using was, were with action verbs. Incorrect. She was go to the temple. Correct. She went to the temple. இங்க நாம was எல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அப்படி நாம ஆட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Explanation. Don't use was, were with action verbs in the simple past. Just use the past form of the verb directly. Part 6. Common error 5. Confusion with irregular verbs. Incorrect. They ate all the chocolates. இது தப்பு. Correct. They ate all the chocolates. ஏன் தப்பு அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். Explanation. Eat is an irregular verb. The past form is ate, not eaten. இந்த மாதிரி சில examples. Buy, bought. Take, took. Run, ran. Next, part 7. Common error 6. Using two past tense markers. Incorrect. I didn't went to school. Correct. I didn't go to school. ஏன் இது தப்புன்னு ஒரு explanation பார்த்துடலாங்க. Just like with did, even in negative sentences, the main verb stays in the base form. எப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா didn't already marks the past. Next, part 8. Common error 7. Mixing tenses in a sentence. Sentence இருக்கக்கூடிய tenses mix பண்றதுல எப்படி common error வருதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Incorrect. He came home and eats dinner. Correct. He came home and ate dinner. Explanation. When describing a series of past actions, all verbs should be in the past tense. ஒரு series of past action நம்ம explain பண்றோம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதுல நம்ம past verbs மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். Part 6 Summary of Errors. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்த்த errors ஓட summary. Let's quick review what we learned. First, use past form, not present. 2. Use the base verb after did or didn't. 3. Don't forget ed for regular verbs. Lastly ed மறந்துடக்கூடாது. 4th, don't use was were before action verbs. 5. Learn irregular verbs properly. 6th, don't double mark the past. ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல past form நம்ம double time யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. 7th, keep tense consistent in a sentence. Part 10 Practice. Activity time. To practice, correct these sentences in the comment sections. Commentல நீங்க correct sentence post பண்ணுங்க friends. First, did he visited the zoo? 2. They doesn't like the food. 3. I was finished my homework. இதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன எரர்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத பார்த்துட்டு கரெக்ட் பண்ணி போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் ஆன்சர்ஸை. 4th, he take the book from the shelf. 5th, she come late yesterday. I'll check your answers in the comments, so don't forget to participate. I'll be happy உங்களோட ஆன்சர் பார்க்கும்போது. That's it for today's video on common errors in the simple past tense. Simple past tenseல நம்ம பண்ணக்கூடிய errors இவ்வளோதாங்க. இதை நம்ம ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணாலே நல்லா பேசிடலாம். Mistakes are natural, but what matters is learning from them. Keep practicing and you'll see a big improvement in your speaking and writing. Post your comments, your doubts. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more simple and effective English lessons. For more simple and effective lessons, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல உங்களை எல்லாம் சந்திக்கிறேன் friends. Until then, it's me Yamuna, your English trainer, signing off. Happy learning. Until then, keep learning and keep improving. இன்னும் நிறையா கற்றுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இப்போ இந்த ஸ்க்ரீனில் தெரியக்கூடிய வீடியோ ஏதோ ஒன்று கிளிக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். இல்லை சேனலை விசிட் பண்ணுங்கள். அவங்களோட லாங்குவேஜை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கான வீடியோஸ் அன்லிமிட்டடாக காத்துட்டே இருக்குது.